How to turn off switch to secure mode on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off switch to secure mode on Samsung internet browser. First then open the browser and then click these three lines here, and now click settings and scroll down. Here you will find labs, click on it, and this one, second one, click on it, and as you see here, switch to secure mode. The secure connection have been turned off, and now just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.